Hey guys, what's up and welcome to this 11-minute 11-line abs workout. This workout is the first in a 3-part series of ab blasting workouts that's a part of my 11-day 11-line K-pop abs challenge. This challenge includes a bunch of K-pop dance workouts as well as abs and oblique workouts. You can find the full schedule to this 11-day abs challenge linked in the description down below, free and available to everyone. And you have also a bonus 11-day meal plan for this workout challenge to really tone up those abs, exclusive to VIP patrons on my Patreon. Alright, this workout has 11 exercises in total for 11 minutes. We have 40 seconds on, followed by 20 seconds off. Let's get started.
Up first, we have reverse crunches with a twist. Up next, we have some crunches with your legs raised in a 90-degree position.
That's right. Okay, something like this.
Next, we're going into a plank position for some hip dips. Next, we have some mountain climbers, but you're going to be stepping to the outside edges of your mat. We're standing up now and focusing on those obliques with the left side oblique knee up.
body.
Up next, simple enough, we're just gonna switch sides for a right side oblique knee up. Awesome job, guys. We are halfway there. Keep on pushing. And we're back on the mat now for a star crunch, lifting up your right leg each time.
I just wanna be your boy.
Next up, you know it, we're just gonna reverse the star crunch to the left side. Next up, we're getting into a high plank position for bear crunches. Lift your knee across your body and tap your toes. Next up, we're lying back down on the mat for some penguins. You're just gonna scoot your body side to side and touch your heels. our final move, we're kicking those legs. Get ready for some flutter kicks. We're halfway through and switching to scissor kicks. Just 20 seconds left. Awesome job, guys. Workout complete. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Be sure to check out the rest of my 11-day, 11-line K-pop abs challenge linked in the description below, as well as the full diet and meal plan on Patreon right here, complete with full recipes and calorie counts. Alright, I'll see you guys next time.